All right, friends, let's make some glittery pens for fall. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. So we're going to start with these RSVP pens. I got them at Walmart. They're dirt cheap. Unscrew the end, take the cap off, and now we have this center part. I'm using Crystalac glitter glue because it's non-toxic and I love it. And I'm filling the chamber. See how I'm filling that up and I'm watching it go all the way around. Make sure that it gets all the pieces parts. And I let it actually go into the tip of it too. So see how it goes down, and then I plug it up so that it doesn't come out the end. And then I get a little bit of the excess out. I have some bamboo skewers. I'm going to put that in point side up. And then I'm going to put it in floral foam in that container just to let it drip for, I don't know, a little bit, not a long time. Then once we let that drip, we're going to take it off and we're going to put, I have this cute little funnel, but you could use a piece of paper in the shape of a funnel if you wanted. And I have this glitter I got from Michael's. It's like this beautiful brown. So you're going to load up the pen and then with the glitter and then shake it. I know it sounds crazy, but are you kidding? It works. And all I'm doing right now is just getting the excess glitter put back in the container so we don't waste anything. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the tip end of the bamboo skewer. I'm going to put the pen back on it and let it dry. Probably a good 24 hours or so. Going to do the same thing with this beautiful orange color. And I also did one with green as well. Same process though. We're going to put the glitter in, shake it, get the excess out, put the skewer on, let them dry. So these are dried. These have dried for probably, many hours. And I always look to see if I can see through it. If I can't see through it and I can't see through that little hole at the end, then I know that I need to, make its way with the bamboo skewer to try to make sure that there's a clear path. But all we're going to do next is take your pen part, and how I do it is I just drop it in. You got to be careful in the very early, before they're super, super dry. If you're not careful, that pen, the ink part can scratch the glitter off, and then you've got lines and it looks gross. So all I did was just make sure it was centered and then just drop it. And then screw it back on and stop it. Look at how pretty these are. Oh, they're perfect for fall. I don't know about you. I have to have pretty pens for every season. And these are so easy to do. So then the next thing, if you want to take it to the next level, which of course you do, right? I mean, why wouldn't you? Then we will remove the logo, the RSVP part, that part right there. We're going to remove that. So first, there's a couple different ways you can do it. I have some non-acetone nail polish remover, and I put some on the tissue, and I try to get it off that way. Now, if you're going to do it this way, you have to put some muscle to it. Like, you really have to rub to get that logo off. It's not the end of the world. It works, and see, now we have no logo. Or you can use a magic eraser. They have cheapo ones at, I think, Walmart. Even Dollar Tree might have them. And it works like a dream and much less effort and less smell because, nail polish remover smells awful. But anyways, look at how pretty these are. Listen, you could do these for every season. You could do them for gifts. You could do them for yourself. I'm just saying, pens are everything. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you.